So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to take a look at our high voltage power supply that I built recently. It is enclosed using an oval power supply case. Here we have our two input wires ranging from 12 to 30 volts DC, and here these thick red wires are our high voltage output. As we open up the case, inside we can look we have a flyback transformer and two heatsinks. As we take a closer look, we can see these blue-black wires are the input going into this on-off switch with a capacitor in parallel. Then next it goes to the oscillator circuit mounted on the heatsink. The output of the oscillator is connected to the primary winding of transformer. Then the output of the flyback transformer is connected to the high voltage wires and a hot glued in place. Let's see the high voltage produced by it. The oscillator is the same oscillator which I was mentioned in previous video. There are totally 4 transistors, 2 of them are in parallel and on a heatsink.